The Meghalaya Government and the Khasi Students Union held talks at the Meghalaya Secretariat in Shillong weeks after the union's protest rally on the 19th of August 2026, which had led to heightened tensions between the organization and the state authorities. The KSU delegation was represented by Assistant General Secretary Pinchai Borlang Rani, former President Lambok Star Marngar, former General Secretary Donald Thaba and other representatives, while Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma chaired the meeting on behalf of the state government. The dialogue focused on the KSU's 5-point Charter of Demands, with the union seeking concrete action from the government on issues concerning the protection of indigenous residents, the regulation of influx and employment opportunities in the state. Among the key demands is the immediate implementation of the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act, or the MRSSA 2016, along with effective implementation of relevant laws and regulations aimed at curbing influx and regulating the presence of non-indigenous persons in the state. The KSU has also demanded the cancellation of the 31st July public hearing conducted in connection with Sri Cement project in East Jaintia Hills, besides seeking the cancellation of uranium-related activities in Meghalaya. Another major issue raised by the union pertains to reforms in state government recruitment, with the KSU pressing for a transparent and fair recruitment mechanism that safeguards employment opportunities for local youth. The dialogue is being viewed as an attempt to resolve the issues through negotiations, with the KSU maintaining its position on the 5 demands.
Kendu baka sarkar mentasmi halo pesan teliki matin dawa kabang ibu nongkong anggota ka Shillong Juman de jingjia pisaki kai belajia bolong ke public hearing nam zaban shna ka Sri Cement kejimat dawa kalong ban scrap with public hearing lani ban suspend ru yau DC ban SP kiba hakte ke district hakjing ke there jing yatai ke bala jrong ka sarkar ru kala peni le jong pidaw binogrem bat lay pun mandur kita jing theria tai kalong banton no taka independent committee by inquiry tu jing ja ki bandon committee include di belong lai duit DC USP nondon benta IRM bat kita ki stakeholder jong ting cakar kendon berkan liat bian pabian om ditang bakin haban nanti benia jenglong cuman jing ja public hearing dan ki hab kani committee kan pedru ya jenglong cuman jong ka Mei Mariam cakap nomor kidon kiksha kidon kikrem kidon kicakarap bat komtartap bat langba kenika fact finding committee badalap jenuino kiba bakla nanti kamtam public hearing kengat jing penstom kata kalong ba kejing yakren nak yang jongkaseng bat bila banjuru bakat ba kenika fact finding committee kampat dep yakren kuat kita kijing persang bat kita sedang jing trejuk na Sri Cement lepen sange totally sange bat telah ngingat paksakan bat bagi juban lak lada ka karen mentah ni lakat jing tre kenya sakmat tengiru misa habaya perdat bang te kata kapon banangkong kapon ke baar pi yakren spang ke implementation sebagai MRSA ke balalong an usnem arja khandre ni sotu ka wara stu ka amendment arja rapau dan gi isbun ki kenrum kanram kibala penlompat jadi kaan panpoi su gubernur na gubernur panpoi pada sukar India andai nagaliang kasukar dia kala pan ka jingpensai na sukar jala bat filosakiru digupor kidondu balik sepo kajing besar pan challenge dia kedekaan ka tahu arjar khandri andai khadu kawai ka kodu kelasu penkot no untuk kakias bat nagaliang jo kaseng kumangi trang bengi anglur bagi kita kerdop bantalasi mendir kita mendiang no awak ni sutu idan jin hadu khat pratri kita kerdop ba la produk haga an jong archer khandri andai ge mingi ku aban ong kolong ni sutu jule se kenam la basna sna baro khat ni ngi ku ba itu ki belum top priority ki caka ke sarkar ben sedang marmar archer khandai kita saki ke sarkar ni khap ribon ko umling kawan ok klam covid kalan cakap cek untuk virus kemudian hadin mata usnya mi lamut penjang tak foto kapakas keseng galai pensang te kajing yakran memta kasihnya kaliang siam lakular bat kubur ba ya kanti umling sedang marmar bat kan sadandu ka join inspection di caka penyebit binia nang ba ya kata ke kedok bantal si ban cek mendel kat sedang no anti po umling bat kham tamru anti po rata syira anti po di janji listrik idon ki jerwat haliang jongka khendau basiap hoj man swala dep identify ki jaka handai idon ki kadi gebri jong ki kuai ki tempo ti terai jaka ki masuk entala sam ban wat koi lakini ki labu lakum dulu saubenai pendap no ban wat ban yo jaka handai ke betul nanti umling ba don lupa kemut ba lakum dulu hapu arbanai ikmi nanti ba kene khdop kene yang no kum ka yang hai bor maswa kajing start jong start jong government nomor ka ani la kadau habdon hi nakaliang police department habdon hi nakaliang jong labor habdon hi nakaliang jong tourism habdon nakaliang jong education tibat inbolang jaka khnang ba ka state ke jing terkam kita ki benta ke ba nakaliang jong ka jia kren ta ka singi ke ba sarkar kala kubur ya ki ba nakaliang jong ka seng kala dawa hak ka sispa andai kubong hiu poposen tekimat yang dawa jong pad jeng dok jong ki siu kilorong pat kumakran kong mene ba kinang don kisle kita belum very technical ke ba nakaliang ke si bamta kisle song prokat ba kunu non parjana isu is ki benta ke ba don jing sok kerdot hang ni hantai ka jingkran jong naliang jong ka seng ong bala laboro kini kimat jeng dawa kim urlong hari kumakran mene jan baru ila urlong along sa apois katong ti ngen ong ba gila pendam je jing ki henry temporary suspension nginang walk out susu kita ki benta ki bang tang sok kerdot ke bang hap nang penbah penjana isu ki kimat jeng dawa labu khmat jeng sarkar dengan liang kan sisi bat mai ko shem tang ni kesan teli ke ba ngi ba kasor ka kala male nomor lek tu ki khat stan teli ki bang sa ngi dang don boni ki benta ki hap ni theri tai tenaga liang jong ka ngilah keren saya minta kasih sarkar kalau mbak kini ke dialog proses kembali ben kut tentang kasih hakini kesiban wan yang senang komunikasi yang saya kendu pan tengyang banyak keren sekini kasan dari poin ke badang sa senang ba nyepet kinu pentak ba sarkar kalau balak balik kerkino ba kinu pentak ba kasar ke tang pan po ban yeter ba ban